Yes.
If you run, you
Mm-hmm.
will fall on the ground like this with high shoes on. You do not do that.
Okay.
You will fall and hit your head there.
Okay.
Like this, do not do this.
Mm-hmm.
Do not do, only walk, not run
Okay.
with high shoes on. Do not run with high shoes on.
Okay.
Only short shoes.
So what should I wear if I'm gonna run? I will run. What should I wear?
Small shoes. If you're
There's no heels, right?
Yeah,
Rubber shoes only?
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
When you're walking,
Mm-hmm.
use the high one like this.
Okay.
When you're running, do not use the high one, only the short one.
Okay.
No.
Why?
Because you will fall if you run.
And then you're gonna hurt yourself, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Do not run.
Okay.
So do not run with high shoes on. Do not run.
Okay.
Only walk when
Okay.
you have high shoes on.
Okay, Riley.
When you got small shoes on, you can run, but do not run with high shoes on like this. Do not run.
Okay, Riley. Okay,
Look.
baby.
Look at this.
Mm-hmm.
If you run, you will fall on the ground, hit your head. That's dangerous. Do not do that.
Okay. Yes, baby.
Do not do running with high shoes on.
Okay.
Do not do that.
How about wearing a short pants while running? Is it okay?
Mm-hmm. When you're running, when you're wearing pants when you're wearing
Long pants?
long pants, you will fall.
Really?
Yeah,
Why?
because if you got long pants, you will fall.
It's not comfortable to run if you're wearing long pants?
Yeah, only short pants.
Okay.
Do not run with long shoes, right?
Okay.
You will fall if you have long shoes on when you're running. Do not do that.
Okay. Thank you for reminding me, Riley.
Mm-hmm. You're welcome.
Love you.
And teaching about
Mm-hmm.
what? I'm
Not to walk, not to run, using high heels?
Yeah, do not even run with high heels like this.
How about you? Do you like wearing high heels?
No, I do not run with high heels on.
How about you? Do you want to wear high heels?
No, because I'm gonna run and fall on the ground.
Okay.
Children don't wear high heels. They're just small.
Yeah.
Do not run with
It's
high
not
heels.
appropriate for kids to wear high heels, right?
Only grown-ups.
Only grown-ups. Yeah, right?
If you run with high heels, you will fall on the ground.
Mm-hmm.
If children runs,
Yeah.
they will fall on the ground.
When they're using high heels.
Yeah.
So it's not good for kids to wear high heels. Only
Grown-ups.
grown-ups. How about the kids? What are you gonna wear?
Short.
Short heels, no?
Yeah.
Or
My Crocs doesn't have heels.
Yeah.
It only got short.
yeah,
Short.
sole.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you run with high heels on, you will fall on the ground and hit your head like this.
And you will get a boo-boo, right?
Yeah.
And it's gonna be hurt.
Mm-hmm.
A lot.
Look, my fingers running with long heels and
Okay.
my finger falling on the ground.
Okay,
Do
bye.
not even run with high heels.
Okay, thank
You
you.
will fall. Do not do that.
Okay.